Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Sunday, 1st February 2026. Today is a Daily Lotto single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 14, number 26, number 33. Now, is a Daily Lotto single prediction number. Repeat number 1, number 2, number 26, number 33. Now, essay daily lotto second prediction numbers. Number 7, number 10, number 24, number 32, number 35. Today, essay daily lotto second prediction number. Repeat number 7, number 10, number 24, number 32, number 35. So, friends, complete today. South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next